Focus in 3, 2, 1. Voila! Let's get started. Welcome to the next clip. Okay, so today I will be showing you how to do fun stuff on the ukulele. Because I'm obsessed with a ukulele, well, any ukulele, because it's, once you learn how to play 3 notes, it's super duper fun. So I'm probably going to show you most of it on this ukulele. This is my school's ukulele, but they let me take it home. Everyone got like a ukulele and it has my number on it, because we're doing like a spring sing and we're going to play the ukulele. And we're going to play a song on the ukulele, and this one is perfect. And then this one, this one is like a pink and sparkly one. I've had this for literally ever. Like when I was a toddler, I like wrote Alexia on it and stuff. But this one, I used to tune this one. So like I would play like the first string, and then I would play the first string and then tune it. So this one is tuned, but like that's what it sounds like. And then this is what this one sounds like. So this one is kind of fake, but like it's still playable. So yeah.
6.5 hours later.
I'm going to show you the writing. Okay, there, you can see it. It's all sparkly, and then I have Alexia there. And then down here I have writing right there. So this ukulele is like, it's playable, like I can play notes, but it's not real, if you know what I'm saying. So, yeah. But today I'm going to be using one of my Taylor Swift picks here. And then it has 1991. Is that what it is? 1989. Oh my god. 1989 on the back. So I'm going to be using this one. Focus. Okay. I've played the ukulele without a pick before a few times, and it hurts a lot because my fingers are still getting used to the pain. So I'm just going to use a pick. But I'm going to show you a few notes, and I'll put what note it is, like maybe up here on the screen. But the first note, I'm pretty sure is a C. So what it is, oh my god, wait. Okay, how do I describe this? It's the first string above the first fret, and I'm going to try to get close to y'all. So you hold it like that, and then it's just like that. It's the first string right above the first fret, and the fret is like these little gold lines along the whole thing, and it's right above that. And then this is what it sounds like. Focus. Yes, okay. This is what it sounds like. That was good. Okay, so now we're gonna go to a C minor, I guess. I'll put it on the screen because I'm not really sure. I can't remember these that well. You can use your middle finger or your ring finger for this. I prefer to use my middle finger because I find it easier. You can use your ring finger at home. So again, it's the first string, 3rd fret. And I'm going to slowly come in. First string, 3rd fret, like that. And then when you play it, it should sound like this. I'm going to move farther so you can see. Okay, I'm going to move over here. There we go. So, it should sound like this. Okay, so the next note is the 4th string, 3rd fret. So basically just the opposite string, still the 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. And And I'm going to show you what that looks like. I keep moving forward and back. This is what it looks like. Okay. I'm going to play it one more time. Now, this is probably the most difficult note. I'm going to skip back. This is probably the most difficult note. It's that same note that you just played that sounds like this. It's that note, but adding your pointer finger on the 2nd fret, 2nd string. And this is what it should look like. Like that. Okay, so now I'm going to move back again. And this is what it should sound like. Okay, now let's put them all together. I'm going to move forward and show you. And this is, I find it the easiest way to learn. So I'm going to show you my fingers. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I repeated the one with 2 fingers twice, like that at the end of the song. And this one, the first one that I showed you, maybe the C, I guess, that one is not included in the song, but I like to add it in like wherever I want. So let me show you. I'm going to stay back here for a while now. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, or like this. I scramble all the notes around. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Now I'm going to show you my other uke. Oh my god, my guitar. It's like about to fall off my bed. Let me move that. Okay, so now, pause. And pause. Okay, so the next one I'm going to be showing you is this pink one. I love it. This is like my favorite ukulele. Even though it's kind of a fake, I can still play. Yeah. I'm probably going to get one of those things that's like a ukulele display thing. Ooh, it's raining outside. Cool. Okay. Date me. Okay. That was so weird. Okay. I'm going to play that song. The 1, 2, 3, 4 one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next, my guitar. It's like a Taylor Swift one, and this is a guitar mini or whatever it's called, but it's huge. Well, I mean, I played the ukulele a lot, so like from playing this, from playing that to playing this is a little hard to transition, but it's huge. See, my hands are like all the way. Okay, so a guitar is different than a ukulele. A guitar has 6 strings. 6. The ukulele has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, so on the guitar, it sounds like this when you strum slowly. 6 have 6 strings. But what if you want to sing do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Put your finger on anywhere, maybe up here on the middle upper half. It gets higher. And then move lower, as you can see, it gets even higher. And then you could do. So let me show you what that sounds like. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Then you go here. Ti, do, or do. Like that. And you can do a cool trick by strumming the last 2. I'm going to strum the very last one. And go from here all the way down. And I can also go up. Down. Bye-bye. Are you subscribed? You better be.